I just want to do a very short review regarding this 11-inch LAMTTO CarPlay. It's amazing. I just connected to my car using the Android Auto, as you can see there, and also I connected aux cable to be able to listen music on my internal in-car speakers. So as you can see, I connected also Tidal because I'm using Tidal. Sorry for the the light, the sun. So I put Android Auto. You can just share screen on the half. You can take the bigger, for example, this side, or full map. So it's very great, and Google Gemini works as well. So you can speak like, like to AI. Yeah, overall I think it's very amazing, very quick install, and yeah, I highly recommend it. I just wanted to add, if you want to, for example, watch Netflix on YouTube, you just need to share internet from your phone and just connect using this Wi-Fi that you're sharing from your phone. I connected to the test Wi-Fi. We share it from my mobile that I'm recording at the moment, and you can easily watch the YouTube without any problem, and of course Netflix if you want as well. If you're waiting for someone, you have plenty of time, so you can watch as well Netflix. I think is really great option. So it works absolutely everything. It's normal Android, so you can install another apps. I installed just the Tidal because I'm using Tidal, not Spotify, and I'm using YouTube, Tidal, Netflix, Android Auto, and for me is enough. But you can install many more software if you want. You can check also GPS satellite. How is at the moment, I don't know nothing about that. It's 26 in use, but it's working. The most important is that it's working. I'm not connected reverse camera yet, but I will do later. Okay, so thank you guys. It's very short review, highly recommended. I will leave the link in the description and in the first comment. So if anyone is interested, very big and cheap, it's really cheap, very fast CarPlay Auto. Take care.